Session 5, Injuries and Run Charts. In Session 5, you will discuss the injury metric. You will use the injury metric to introduce the operators to run charts, Pareto charts, and root cause analysis. Run charts will be discussed in Session 5, Pareto charts in Session 6, and root cause in Session 7. To prepare for Session 5, you will need to collect the injury data needed for exercises 5, 6, 7, and 8. Invite the person who keeps track of injury data to attend the class to present the data to the operators. In many companies, this would be the HR manager. Have that person make a list of all the injuries for the prior 12 months, including the date and a description of each injury. You will start Session 5 by discussing the injury metric. A company should operate in a safe manner. A company should reduce the number of injuries caused by processes. Injuries increase the cost of processes, reduce the throughput of processes, and can result in severe pain or loss for the injured employee and their loved ones. Companies in the U.S. are required by law to track the number of injuries that occur each calendar year using an OSHA log. Another commonly used measurement is the number of workdays missed by employees due to injuries, referred to as lost time injuries. For class exercise 5, present the injury data to the operators. A list of injuries from the previous 12 months, including the date of each injury and a description of each injury. And let the operators answer question 1. Next, you will discuss the run chart tool with the operators. Run charts can use bars or lines to graphically reveal the history of a measurement. With a run chart, it is easy to visually determine if a measurement is improving or not improving. The bar run chart displayed here shows a 12-month history of employee injuries. There were 23 employee injuries during the year. The chart visually communicates that a lot of injuries have been occurring, the trend is increasing, and that action needs to be taken to reduce injuries. Run charts can be used to monitor all 7 of the process performance metrics. Posting run charts for employees to see clearly communicates to the employees if a process metric is improving or not improving. The run charts can be easily created using a spreadsheet program. For class exercise 6, present the injury data, number of injuries by month, so the operators can draw a run chart of injuries. If you want to save time, have the operators complete the exercise out of class. A run chart can use bars or lines to present the data. If we use a line instead of bars, the chart would look like this. Bar charts are usually best when there are only a few measurements to present, and line charts best for showing a large quantity of measurements. The time period for each measurement will vary depending on the type of motivation needed. Processes with a lot of problems that need to be improved rapidly may require daily or hourly measurements. Weekly or monthly measurements may be adequate for metrics that are slow to change or have low activity. For class exercise 7, the operators draw the same chart they drew in class exercise 6, except they will use a line instead of bars. Coming up in session 6, you will use the injury measurement to introduce the Pareto chart tool.